Hey there everyone, I'm Adam, welcome to my kitchen. I'm going to go over today how to make just a basic Cosmo. So for our main ingredients for that drink, we're going to need just our 2 ounces of our preferred vodka, about an ounce of our triple sec. I'm going to be using Contra today. I'm going to do just maybe a splash or 2 of our cranberry juice, just for color. That's really all we need. And then I'm going to be using lime juice, fresh lime juice. So let's go ahead and jump on in, make this cocktail, and see how it tastes. Now we just gotta shake it. Really want to start with a slow shake and build up really fast. So once you get to some good ice particles, the tin should really start to get frosted like that. After that, you're pretty much ready to go. If you want, give it a couple really extra hard shakes at the end, but you're pretty much ready to rock. And there's your Cosmo.